Will artificial intelligence replace attorneys? AI and tools like ChatGPT are unlikely to replace lawyers entirely, and here's why. Complex reasoning and judgment. While AI can process information and provide responses based on data it has been trained on, it lacks the ability to perform complex reasoning and make judgments that require a deep understanding of legal nuances, ethics, and human emotions, all critical elements in legal work. Human interaction. The practice of law often involves sensitive and emotionally charged issues that require empathy, persuasion, and interpersonal skills, qualities that AI currently cannot replicate. Lawyers often need to negotiate, convince, and counsel their clients and others, which are inherently human attributes. Then we have ethical and legal responsibilities. Lawyers are bound by professional and ethical responsibilities that AI systems do not possess. Decisions about someone's rights, freedoms, or responsibilities often need human oversight to ensure fairness and compliance with the law. Then there's the inability to address novel situations. In the legal field, it involves unique and unprecedented challenges that require creative thinking and adaptability. And AI systems, including ChatGPT, operate within the scope of their programming and training data, which limits their ability to handle novel or atypical scenarios that are common in legal questions. Then there are the licensing and regulations. The practice of law is heavily regulated, and only licensed professionals can offer most legal advice and representation. There are significant regulatory barriers to replacing lawyers with AI. But AI can significantly augment the capabilities of lawyers and transform many aspects of the legal practice. In my law firm, we heavily use AI to help keep our clients' costs down. We use AI to automate routine and time-consuming tasks such as document review, legal research, and drafting standard forms, which allow our lawyers to focus on more complex aspects of cases. We also use AI to assist our lawyers by providing insights and data-driven predictions about legal outcomes, which can help us in our strategies and decisions. So, while AI is transforming the legal field by enhancing the efficiency and capabilities of lawyers, it's not poised to replace them entirely due to the inherent nature of humans and what humans can do and AI can't. So, if you have any questions about AI and how we use it in my firm, call me 864-228-1617.